Good morning, folks. It's October 18th, 2021. And despite everything that's going on with our freedoms in this government and this country, I'm continuing to stay busy on doing productive work. The plan is to get this Camaro 87 IROC completely restored, painted with an LS 4.8, hopped up a little bit. I wanted to show you my current project for this thing. The passenger door has a couple of dents, and I have used my newly acquired used TIG welder to weld these filler rods to the dent areas. Now we're going to pull the dent out using vice grips and a chunk of steel for a straight edge. Alrighty. So our dent's right here. I'm using a straight edge to find a neutral space to pull out the dent to the straight edge. Then cut it off. And move forward to the next area. So what you're doing is you're using the vice grips to roll on the straight edge. Anyway, that's how you do it. Alright, so we completed pulling out the majority of the dent. The idea is to bring it out far enough where you're using a minimal amount of filler, so you don't have a big old cake on the side of your car on a door. So, move on to the next step, which is filling in the area that's been pulled out. Alright, folks, we have finished the body work on the door here, and now are going to shoot some primer on it. Down to bare metal.